According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is preparing a major transformation for the iPhone 19 series in 2027, including a redesigned iPhone 19 Pro that makes more extensive use of glass and possibly introduces new form factors. The Apple iPhone 19 Pro Max is rumored to feature a premium, glass-centric design that improves durability and offers a more immersive, high-end look compared to previous generations. The iPhone 19 Pro Max is expected to feature a large, high-resolution 6.9-inch OLED display, delivering crisp images, vibrant colors, and an always-on display for continuous use. This display will be ideal for streaming, gaming, and everyday multitasking, offering a smooth and visually rich experience. Performance. The device is expected to run iOS 18 and be equipped with Apple's next-generation A-series chipset, designed for faster performance and greater energy efficiency. This combination should ensure smooth app performance, a responsive gaming experience, and long-term software optimization. Camera. The iPhone 19 Pro Max is rumored to feature an advanced multi-lens camera system, designed to deliver high-quality photos, improved low-light performance, and optimized video recording. The front-facing camera is also expected to receive improvements for sharper selfies and better video calls. Memory and storage. The smartphone is expected to include more RAM and generous internal storage to facilitate multitasking and the storage of large multimedia files. These improvements will benefit content creators, gamers, and power users who demand higher performance. Battery and charging. Apple is expected to equip the iPhone 19 Pro Max with a high-capacity battery optimized for continuous use and greater endurance. Fast charging support is also expected to reduce charging time and improve convenience. Connectivity and sensors. The device is expected to support 5G connectivity, along with advanced biometric security and modern sensor technologies. These features will improve network performance, security, and the overall user experience. Software and updates. The iPhone 19 Pro Max will launch with iOS 18 and is expected to receive long-term iOS updates in the future. This ensures access to new features, security enhancements, and improved performance over time. Expected release date. Apple's iPhone 19 Pro Max is expected to launch in 2027, though the final release date may vary depending on production and development factors. Conclusions. The iPhone 19 Pro Max is shaping up to be a premium flagship with a refined design, powerful performance, advanced cameras, and long-term software support. While these details are still based on rumors, they offer an exciting glimpse into the future of Apple smartphones.